Actually, I am trying to speak English, but here in the village, there is no environment to talk in English, to speak in English with somebody, nah. That is why. Yeah. So whenever I get the opportunity, then I am trying to speak with you all, nah. Yeah. I have the responsibility to look after you all, nah, because nah, my own is also not there, and my knee is also not there, and you are very beautiful and you are still young, nah. So, yeah, exactly. It is my, it is my responsibility, nah, to look after you all. No, Korpi. It is not like that, nah. I'm not hating you, nah, but I am a responsibility person, so myself also thinking that since you all are staying alone, so I am thinking, nah, I have to look after you and I have to provide something to you, nah. Yeah, exactly, nah. No, so Korpi, I am saying one thing, nah. This Sunday, no, I'm sorry. This that means tomorrow, nah. I am coming to the food. Yeah, there is meeting in the pool tomorrow, nah, at 11 or 12 a.m. nah. So after meeting over, then we are meeting again, huh? Okay. Do come, okay? Okay, then on Saturday I am coming nah with my auto nah. Okay, I am coming this Saturday with auto or with bike. Yeah, exactly. No, you drinking beer or not? Okay, then I bring beer for you and I'm coming. Okay, I come. Yes, yes. Okay, I am coming to my auto nah this Saturday. Okay. No cheating, okay? I will be resting there and you are providing something for me, okay? Will this be okay? No. This is... I'm not securing you now, but I'm securing myself. If somebody knows that I am sleeping with you, then what people will say, nah? Okay, exactly. That is why I'm securing myself, nah? Anyway, you people are adult and you understand very well, nah? That is why. Yeah, because in the village people there is nobody is understanding to each other, nah? And they are doubting this and that. Yeah. No. I will do contact. Don't worry. No worry, nah. I will do contact. Yeah, because I used to busy with my work. That is why I am unable to contact sometimes. No, but whenever I get the opportunity, then I will be contact with you. Don't worry. Okay. So I will bring a blanket for you. Okay. And I will be sleeping with you. Don't feel egoa. Okay. One thing I am hearing now. If I am coming to your home and if I call you now, then you will see call me. Yeah, I am thinking like that now. If you not see call that, then that is very happy now. Okay. So let's did contact to another time now. So this time is okay. Okay, I love you. Okay, bye. Good night. Have a sweet dream. Okay, bye.